So this is 20100 East Mesa Verde in Mayer. Still in the process of cleaning out. So pardon the mess. You've got a nice door in the front here, big metal door. Here's the kitchen. The appliances have been removed. Dining area. It's a big kitchen. Entry closets, built-ins. The rest of the living area. Into the master bedroom. And again, we're still working on cleaning it out. Back up so you can see. Ceiling fans. And the vanity. There was carpet here, it's been removed. The shower with the block wall. And a door out to one of the patios. Well, just keep going, I guess. So you have this covered patio. And another one over here. It's a double-sized lot. So you have a lot of room here. And again, the stuff will be removed. And you've got a little shed, which is going to get a new roof on it. And here's the second half of the lot. So it's all fenced in. You go back in. There's 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom. So here's one of the other bedrooms. Ceiling fan. Seems like I'm zoomed in too much. Here we go. Bathroom in between. And the third bedroom. Pretty much just needs paint and carpet. And that's it. Back to the closets, which I'm not sure if there's anything in here.
That's the laundry room and garage.
Oh, the laundry room and the garage. Okay,
The
good.
garage
We didn't
where
see that.
everything is.
There you go. This is where you'd hook up for your laundry. And lots more stuff here in the garage. And that's the end of the video tour.